In the middle of our hike, we came across a horse camp pond, which was this beautiful pond in the middle of these green hills. And we started just, checking out the pond. First, we saw some birds bathing in the water, which was really cool, dark-eyed juncos, and butterflies and flies drinking some water. And then we started walking along the little trail that surrounds the pond. And I was thinking that this is a really good habitat for newts to lay their eggs. So I was kind of looking closer because the eggs are kind of difficult to find unless you know exactly what you're looking for. So I got really close to the water, and then I saw some newt eggs. They lay their eggs in these little round balls of slime or goo or something that protects the little newts inside, and we could actually see the embryos developing inside the eggs, which were really cool. And then I saw something moving, so I reached my hand into the water. There's lots of little plants floating and stuff. And then I scooped out this giant water bug. So
What'd you guys find?
The giant water bug.
but it's giant.
Giant.
The giant water bug.
And it has something on it as well. You'll see
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I saw that.
Others, like they usually, like some of the species have eggs on them.
Yeah, but it's not the eggs. The
Yeah,
eggs are larger and
yeah.
The giant water bugs are this group of insects that live in the water, but this is an adult, so it has wings. It could actually fly to a different water source if it needs to. And it was just so huge and so beautiful. I only found these a couple of times before, so it was really cool to see it.
Cockroaches don't have, but they bite. Like when they attack you, they inject venom.
Oh.
So does this have a formal name?
So
Water bug or giant water bug. I mean, that's just the
it's a
common.
family, yeah. And it was also covered with these little red things. And one of the interesting things about giant water bugs is that the male actually carries their eggs. So the first thing I thought about was, are these eggs? But they kind of look different. So the female giant water bug, she lays her eggs on the male's back, and then that's how he protects them. But in this case, this is something completely different. They're much too small, and they're all around the giant water bug on its legs and back and everywhere. And these are actually parasitic mites that are attached to it. And I thought they were really interesting shape. But anyway, giant water bugs are awesome. They're predators. They eat all sorts of things smaller than them. But that was really awesome to find it. So we saw at least 2 different species of fish that are both non-native, unfortunately. The round one is called bluegill, and elongated one is the largemouth bass. And I think both of them, people fish them, so maybe that's why they're in the lake. People, release them in lakes to fish them. But of course, they're not great for our native fauna, so